If you're exhausted and emotional, you might need someone there to hold your hands.
I'd say it's a show with heart.
The sense of claustrophobia from the set.
It was very intense. It had a lot of good humour in it, which helped break it up. Otherwise, everyone would be walking out with their eyes wide, because when it gets intense, it makes it kick in a bit more.
Men don't speak about themselves until you put them into a mine for 6 days, and they have to.
It was a marvellous show. It was worth coming all that way, and I hope to see it again, actually. So I thought the acting was superb, and the story was marvellous.
Yeah, it reminds me of loads of things about the mining industry, and it makes it quite recent. But even some of the subjects they're kind of talking about are not dissimilar to events that's gone on in my life, in all fairness.
It was very, very good. I enjoyed it very much.
Oh, it's an amazing set. Yeah, it's really, I didn't know how they would do it to be, underground in a mine, but yeah.
And I thoroughly recommend anybody go and see it. Yeah. Really fabulous story, amazing acting, and brilliant set, and loved every minute.
Yeah.